Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find the dual app settings on OPPO A60. To find the settings for the apps that can be cloned, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to find apps and then go there. Over here, choose App Cloner, and over here we will find the apps, all apps that can be cloned that we have installed on our device. You can also tap on apps that can be cloned in order to open the Google Play Store with all apps that can be duplicated. So now let's go back, and over here we can go to advanced settings in order to find the troubleshooting. You can tap over here in the top right corner in order tap on these three dots in order to delete app clones. We can also go back, tap on one of these apps that we want to clone or that we have cloned. So let's say I'm gonna choose WhatsApp, and over here we should be able to find two additional options besides the create app clone option. We have the rename app clone and when using quick functions. So what should happen? And we have always ask or open original app. Of course, these options are available if you create the app clone. If you do not create the app clone, then you will have nothing over here. So once you create it, then you will have it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.